Hey everyone, welcome back to Pi42 Exchange. Today we are going to talk about Bull Run 2025, Bitcoin leads, and also is something up next with altcoin? Let's have a look. Bitcoin is forming a range between $117K and $120K over the past few weeks, with the recent high recorded near $123K. If past full cycles are any indication, this is the point where momentum often accelerates, potentially leading to a parabolic run. Let's have a look at the Bitcoin's monthly breakout history. In 2017, after breaking the previous all-time high, Bitcoin rallied for 7 consecutive months with just one red candle in between, gaining about 15-26% from breakout to peak. In 2020, Bitcoin broke its all-time high in November and rallied for 6 straight months, climbing around 268% before tapping in April 2021. After a mid-cycle retrace, Bitcoin formed another peak in November 2021, a bull trap that marked the start of the bear market. So, in this cycle, Bitcoin broke above its 2021 highs in Feb 2024 and rallied 73% to the current peak. Price is now retesting near the upper range after a strong multi-month uptrend. Now, the monthly RSI is around 73, a level associated with strong bullish momentum. In previous bull runs, RSI climbed as high as 90 before the cycle peak. So, if RSI continues toward 90 in this cycle, further upside could follow, potentially extending the rally over the next few months. However, it's important to track lower time frames like daily and weekly charts to understand how momentum is shifting in real time. Rotation from Bitcoin to Ethereum and altcoins often begins with changes in shorter-term trends. Let's have a look at the money flow rotation from Bitcoin to Ethereum and altcoins. Historically, once Bitcoin rallies and starts to stabilize, capital tends to flow into Ethereum, followed by large-cap altcoins like BNB, XRP, TRX, and eventually into smaller altcoins and meme coins. At the moment, the Ethereum-Bitcoin ratio is on rise, which could be an indicator of that capital rotation. Altcoins like XRP, TRX, and BNB are already showing signs of strength on the higher time frames. Altcoin Season Index. The Altcoin Season Index currently stands at 39. Still in Bitcoin season territory. However, it has bounced from the lows, indicating the early signs of momentum starting to build in altcoins. To confirm the shift into altcoin season, we must verify this signal with the Bitcoin dominance chart. Bitcoin dominance is around 60.5%, holding just above key support after breaking down into its upward channel. A decisive breakdown here could accelerate capital rotation into altcoins, but a bounce could mean Bitcoin continues to lead the market in the short term. To sum it up, Bitcoin is in price discovery again. Monthly RSI is rising, momentum is building, and if historical patterns repeat, we could be entering the final and often most volatile leg of the bull cycle. If this cycle follows the previous two, we may soon see capital rotating into Ethereum, then major altcoins, and finally into low caps very visibly. Watch the Ethereum-Bitcoin ratio, the altcoin season index, and Bitcoin's dominance closely. These are key indicators for the next phase, and this stage usually moves quickly. Hope you liked the video. Please do comment what you want to see next on our channel.